Hello, my friends. My name is Simone, and I would like to share with you the Between Two Worlds interactive wine maps. The purpose behind this project is to create an accessible, engaging platform for all wine lovers, from amateurs to experts, to learn about the world's wine region, explore each unique region from the comfort of their own home, and inspire them to plan their next visit. With your help, I believe we can create a continuously growing interactive wine atlas that will become an absolute must for any wine student or wine traveler. So a bit more information about the maps. Each map includes the regional outlines of the appellation and its various sub-regions. You may have a lot of different delineations, like for example in Burgundy, or a bit less like for Champagne or Beaujolais. The outlines are of course beneficial for anybody who is studying for various wine exams, as they give you a great perspective on where each region is located and what the geographical influences on such region are. I've also added to the map additional information, much of which is used by the WSET, the Wine Scholars Guild, the Corps of Master Sommeliers, and other accreditation organizations, so that each person using an interactive wine map can gain crucial and specific information on the region that interests them. In addition to the educational aspect of these maps, each map also includes an Explore section. We add various winery recommendations, as well as restaurants, wine bars, local hotels, B&Bs, views that you can use with Google Street Level View, and various places of interest and culture. In this way, we hope to inspire you to buy a ticket to the region and visit it in person, using the map as sort of a back pocket encyclopedia for where to stay, where to eat, and what wineries to visit. The interactive wine map shown so far is just the first version of the project, and the possibilities of expansion are endless. We'll be able to go into a variety of different regions in a variety of different countries, in Spain, Italy, France, Hungary, Germany. We will also want to dig in a little bit more granular to look at the different sites, their soil types, their elevations, the various vineyards, the vines, the grapes, get really in-depth to each individual site, really focusing on terroir. Finally, we hope to expand the Explore section for each one of these maps, adding things like pricing, like if for a winery, various different wines that they offer, and give you as much information as possible. And the best part is, while this is all in development, you will be getting access to any iterations, any new versions of the map. Now, initially, I created Between Two Worlds interactive wine maps with a goal of making these educational resources and also explorational resources as accessible as possible. But at the same time, these maps are fairly large projects which require a lot of time and effort on our part. And so I've created two different payment structures. One is the subscription method. So we have the Explorer Society Premium, which if you do purchase, it is a monthly payment, and you do get access to all of the wine maps that we have currently, plus any of the maps that we are going to create later. Now, if you are just looking for a single map, or you're really specifically focusing on one region, you don't want the access to everything, we do have an a la carte version, which is essentially a pay what you feel is fair structure. So the prices is anywhere from $5 to $100 in increments of 5, and you will have access to that map and any of the subsequent versions. With that said, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you join me on this journey of education, exploration, and wine appreciation through the Between Two Worlds interactive wine maps platform.